Welcome back to the van. I couldn't be happier that it rained last night. If it's your first time here, my name is Laura and I'm converting this Ford Transit van into an off-grid camper. The door didn't leak at all last night in the rain, but the fan is a different story. That left a very small drop of water. Definitely good to see these things before I get on the road and before I put the flooring in, but I want to put the flooring in this weekend, so I need to get it done. Today, I'm gonna map out all the furniture and hopefully start cutting all of the wood to build the closet and the bench. I'm really gonna do a big push of building and see how much I can get done in 2 days. It's time to take the van to the shop and get to work. Okay, I have the van cleaned out and the saw set up. All of my measurements were done the other day. Today, I'm going to cut as much of the wood as possible. At the end of the day, I have to fill in all of these holes here and there. That way I can put the flooring down tomorrow and then actually build out the bench and closet, add the cabinets, and put the bed in. All of the prep work that I get done today will make tomorrow go so much faster. So my plan is to cut as much as possible, make sure it fits, and then sweep the van out so that it's ready for flooring. Should be a full, busy day. The 2x4s for the bed are gonna rest on this rail, but I need 6 additional supports. I'm gonna cut each of them at 24.5 inches, which should be perfect. I want to make sure it fits before I cut the other 5. Had to take a little more off, but I'm really happy with it now. One done, 5 more to go. This is how high the bed will be from the back, so all of this space will be storage. All the things that are dirty like camping gear and hopefully my mountain bike will fit in the back. Should be plenty of space. Now that I have the bed up, I'm gonna pop the cabinets back in. That way I can see what it feels like before I do the cuts on the closet and the bench. Once I started, I couldn't stop. I'm gonna open the second set of bed slats so that I can really see what it looks like. I'm also happy I did this because I was trying to decide if I should go like 22 inches deep for the closet or 18 or smaller. I think 18 is easily the winner. This space will be open to the van, and then the back will be open to the garage area. This will be my little hallway, and then I added this cooler so that you can see where the bench will be. So the bench will be from here all the way around to here. And that's gonna be like the couch and the table and everything all in one. I was just gonna take everything down when the mail showed up. So there's more to put in the van. Almost 5-gallon water tank. We can put those under the sink and see how they fit. My foot pump, this is how I'm gonna pump water. I'm not gonna have a water pump, so I'll rely on this foot pump. I have brackets. My plan is to put a fold-up countertop right here, so it folds up like this, and these are the brackets I need to do that. Oh, my kettle. I just wanted this one, so I bought it now. even though it's way too soon for the kettle. Someday, this will look very nice on the counter. If you want to check these out, there'll be a link in the description below. The plan is to use one of these for fresh water and the other for gray. I don't know which to use yet for which one. Now that I have everything out of the van, I'm going to start this phase by building the frame for the bench. Decided it's too late in the day to build this. I'm going to stack up all the wood. I have everything cut for the bench except for the flat pieces and half of the boards cut for the closet. I'm going to sweep out the van and then add wood filler so that I can have that done and dry and ready for tomorrow. Welcome back. Today we're going to finish building the bench, work on the closet, and put the flooring down. I have Courtney back again because it's Saturday and nobody wants to spend their Saturday anywhere but here. But I already put her to work and we're started for the day. I have all the boards cut for the bench, but Courtney mentioned that it would be better to paint them before putting it together, so I'm going to get the paint station set up. Then we can paint these and the bed. What do you think about that?
That's what I'm here for.
All of the boards are cut. Now we just need to paint. Courtney, will you set up the paint shop?
Easy enough. Ready.
While that dries, we're going to switch gears and get the van ready to put the flooring down. I'm going to sand this fast just so it's done. Courtney's going to inspect the floor. And then we're going to go through, vacuum, clean the floor really good so that the flooring sticks as good as possible. Prepped and ready to go. Little anxious because I know it's going to be there forever. However it goes down today, that's where it'll be. Definitely happy to have Courtney's help. We're going to unroll it, see how many square feet we have because they sent it wrong, which is fine. But we're just going to unroll it, lay it out, cut it, put it down. No big deal, right? Right?
Right.
Does it come off?
No. That's a permanent marker.
Okay. It's just that the material gets... Okay, this is gonna go under the bench and in the closet. We need to get this as the main piece laid out and cut for the wheel well and the door. The camera died at the worst time, but luckily I have extra batteries so that you all can see this. We're just getting ready to cover the floor, but I forgot to show you the final product. So this is what the floor looks like, completely glued down. This process took us 3 hours. We're gonna put cardboard on it and then some weight so that it dries perfectly after all of that work of getting it down. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in a few days with more updates.